Hello IG, this is Malika from Decor Box coming to you today with a new DIY for these gorgeous cylinder vases that I'm going to turn into floral arrangements. I'm going to start by putting the pearls at the bottom of the smaller vase. And just make sure that they are aligned at the bottom neatly. And then also going to put the rocks on the larger vase. And just as a tip, don't drop these in. That can be a disaster. As you know, this is glass, so we don't want the rocks to break the glass. Okay, so with the smaller vase, I'm going to take my favorite Real Touch tulips. I'm going to do a little bit of trimming on the end, so that way they can fit inside the vase but do not stick all the way out. So I trimmed maybe about a good inch or so off. Had to trim a little bit more just to make sure that they sat properly within the vase. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and trim off my next florals. These I actually want to stick out slightly above the top of the vase, so I'm trimming them off. Did some measurements to ensure that they are the correct height. So I'm going to go ahead and trim those off along with these particular leaves that I'm going to use also in the floral arrangement. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do is take the clear all-purpose glue that you can find at Hobby Lobby or any crafting store and pour that in. This will actually make it seem like there's water at the bottom of the vase. So I'm going to pour this in to both of the vase. And I bunch them up into a bundle where they're the exact same height and just stick them directly into the glue with the pearls and arrange them the way that I will want them to be arranged. So this takes very little effort, but you want to make sure that it does create a beautiful effect. Okay, for the second one, we're going to go ahead and take our leaves to start to actually shape the floral arrangement, and then we're going to stick the actual floral stem right in the center of the vase, and then you will stick that in and voila, it's pretty simple. So here is a view of the tulips, and here is a view of the second larger floral arrangement. And you are all done. For more DIY projects, be sure to follow me at Decor Box on Instagram.